Hello everyone, this is Akaya. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do my client's hair. I am doing a crochet locks in the back, and then we done soft locks in the front. I like to do it like that because it takes less time versus trying to do the whole full soft locks. And it looks nice, it looks neat, and you cannot tell the difference. And when it's time to take it down, it makes it even easier to get it down. I am using some Amazon hair, some Loc Amazon hair. I will provide it in the video description box. It is some really good hair, really loving it. But again, just wanted to show you guys how I do this actual style. This is a very versatile style and it lasts for a long time. So just continue to watch. If you have any questions, put in the comments below. If you would like to take a course, I would love to give you a training class. Or if you like to get your hair done, contact me now. I would love to do it. But just sit back, relax, and I'll show you how I do my client's hair. Okay? And if you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. And also the like button too. That gets my videos seen. And I truly appreciate you guys doing that and supporting me.